So remember, there's been a concern because in Bihar, there was this exercise that already became a political showdown, especially electoral rolls that need to be possibly revised. How will the court intervene on this? And right now, there hasn't been a clear order. But what did the court hear today in the afternoon, and what did the court say? India Today's legal correspondent Anisha Mathur joins me. Anisha, let's take three key takeaways of what the top court said, because eventually it will be about, can Aadhaar be our top identity card when it comes to whether citizenship or any document hereon?
Well, see, Pooja, if you look at the key takeaways from today's hearing, these are specific to the SIR exercise itself. First, that can the Election Commission go into the question of citizenship when it comes to voter verification? Second, can this entire exercise be delinked from the upcoming Bihar election, especially since the timeline that is required to give a due process, ensure hearing, ensure objections, ensure that the paperwork and any, if somebody is disenfranchised, then they have their appeal process. All of that has been questioned by the court. Thirdly, what the issue has come up is of what exactly is proof of identity and proof of citizenship and residence in India. The Supreme Court, in fact, made a very pointed comment that most people in this country may not have birth records or matriculation certificates. In fact, one of the judges pointed out that I'm not sure if I have my birth certificate either. So the question really comes in is when we are talking about verification, when we are talking about, since the EC's initial argument and in the initial notification said that they're trying to ensure that illegal immigrants, foreign illegal immigrants are not included illegally in the voter list. What exactly constitutes citizenship, residence, and identity? The court, in fact, pointing out that most of the documents in your 11 document list are not, in fact, proof of identity or proof of citizenship. They are simply proof of residence, such as a property paper or a rental agreement, etc. So court is asking these very pointed questions about how do you define citizenship and identity in the country when Aadhaar is a proof of identity, particularly with biometrics and connected to multiple government schemes and access to schemes. Then how exactly are you saying that we will not accept it in this voter verification? Additionally, court asking why not include ration card and voter card, both of which are documents issued by the government after verification. Why aren't those being used for this SIR process?